In this video, I'm going to show you the virtual control surface. This is going to be a short video because all we're doing is introducing you to what you'll need to use in the next video. VenueMagic has a lot of nice features for interfacing with MIDI and DMX slider consoles. If you don't have a console, but would still like to take advantage of these features, VenueMagic offers a simple, software-based slider console called the Virtual Control Surface, or VCS. Bring up the VCS by selecting View, Virtual Control Surface. The VCS has two sections. These are your master sliders, and they control overall volume and lamp levels. If VenueMagic is outputting any sound, this slider will control its volume level. If any dimmers or lights are being controlled by VenueMagic, this slider controls their brightness. This section is for adding custom sliders. It already has one by default. Each slider has a name, a display for the current level, and the actual slider. Double-click on the slider and you can change the name here. Or change the name text, level text, or slider background colors by clicking on one of these buttons. Here you select a slider channel. This is done automatically and you'll probably never need to change it. Its purpose will be explained in the next video. The rest of these settings are for controlling the VCS slider from an outside source and will not be covered by this video. Hit F1 if you want to know more. To add another slider, right-click in the slider area and select New Slider. You can add up to 1024 sliders, which is obviously not going to fit on one screen. So, just like cue button groups, which we discussed earlier, there are also slider groups that pretty much work the same way. Even though the virtual control surface is built into the VenueMagic program, it is seen by VenueMagic as what we call an external control. An external control is generally hardware that plugs into your computer that VenueMagic knows how to connect to. Examples of external controls include MIDI consoles, DMX consoles, computer joysticks, the computer keyboard, and a number of other types of supported hardware. Future videos will show you how to connect to these devices. However, for now, the virtual control surface will work for the purposes of these getting started videos. In the next video, you'll learn one important use of external controls, the channel router.